How to change HungryPanda to English. If you want to change HungryPanda app language to English language, it's very simple to do so. Now let's say the HungryPanda app is in a language that you do not understand for some reason. You accidentally set it to Chinese or any of the other South Asian, Japanese or Korean languages. Now you want to change it to English because it's much more friendlier to you. We're going to do this in real time. Look for this little account icon from the bottom right corner of the HungryPanda app. You'll come to this page. Here you'll find this A icon. So the logo will have the A icon and it will be written language beside it. So you just want to tap on this language button. Now here you can simply select English and tap on yes. And once done, you can see we've successfully changed our language from HungryPanda back to English. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in our next video.